He's rapper, he's a good rapper. Tupac is also a rapper, so he's rapping like this guy. Flow. That is it. Show, don't worry. Oh, also one female singer there. Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. This Shillong, Khasi people, Meghalaya, peace out, Northeast, everyone watching, guys. Hi.
Welcome back, my people.
Namaste. Mera naam gabsgabitv. If you don't know Hindi, because I don't know Khasi, guys.
Baunara.
They don't know anything. You don't know even Telugu. Some of them.
No. Baunara, Tinara, Tinawa.
Most of them, they don't know Hindi. How do you expect them to know Telugu? Even they don't know Telugu people.
You never can tell my guy. Who knows?
No. That is very hard. Is there anyone in Meghalaya that knows Telugu? I don't think so. If you know Telugu and you are Khasi, let me know, guys.
There are a lot of people that watch here from Andhra only.
Never. That is, I can say only 1%. But Hindi, I can tell even 10%.
Chico, I'm saying
nothing like that in Telugu.
Drop your comments.
So, next time we'll drop introduction in Khasi, okay? We'll speak something in Khasi.
Yeah,
we'll learn to say something in Khasi. So this is Gabsgabi from South Sudan. Welcome.
This is Subi from Nepal.
This is me from Sikkim.
Yeah. So today we are going to check.
Do you know Nepali?
We are going to check Thong, guys. Actually, today we are going to witness Khasi Tupac, Meghalayan Tupac, or the Indian Tupac. Yeah. She don't know about Tupac, but once just let us cite Tupac, okay? You'll see someone bald. The first photo like this. This is one of the baddest black guy. You can say the black American.
African.
I think it's like black American. I don't know his origin. I think maybe from Africa, but it's a black American. It's a good singer, and
you don't know Tupac.
They kill him.
Why?
He was such a good guy, but it's just like kind of a great person, and because of jealous, then
so many singers are killed like that.
So anyway, rest in peace, Tupac. And today we are going to check the second Tupac from Meghalaya, guys. Thong. What does it mean, Thong? Let's check it out without wasting time. Make sure to subscribe. Put on the bell. Let's go. Thong, DBRYN, BANIOHBOR, outfit. Subtitle is there, okay? You will listen to this guy and you will there. Indian Tupac. DBRYN. Hi. Can you hear? He's rapper, he's a good rapper. Tupac is also a rapper, so he's rapping like this guy. Flow. That is it. Show, don't worry. Oh, also one female singer there. They have that similar delay.
Keep trying until you make it.
Never
give up.
Yes, never give up.
No mountain seems hard to climb.
Never give up. Yo. Perfection. How is it? Huh? How do you think?
This is motivational song.
Yeah.
Motivates people.
Yeah, it's what is so strong, right?
Yeah.
So motivating. What?
We are speaking about like when door closes, other opens.
Yeah.
Don't give up.
Never give up.
Don't
What?
lose hope.
Yes. Never give up. Give up. It's even proving for you.
The mountain seems too hard to climb.
Wow, see? We are 2 million.
How does she sound?
Wow.
How is she?
Just looking like a wow.
That's very true. She's also a lady Tupac.
She's women.
She's a female Tupac.
You made it. Yeah, man. Hip hop, we did it.
Wow, so good. They have riders, skaters. Oh, it's a good team, man. Yo, that's Tupac Shakur. Tupac Shakur. Tupac Shakur from Meghalaya.
It's a copy from the original one.
Yeah. But no, his song is not a copy.
No, I'm not talking about the song. The style.
Okay. The style, because
Maybe by Nietzsche.
no, he got inspired by Tupac.
Yeah.
So he's singing like Tupac. So he called himself Tupac.
Oh.
That's something good. Like he knows how good was the guy, right?
Yeah.
So from the way he's singing, rapping, it's like Tupac is his model, guys.
Mm.
And it doesn't matter that you have to look like him to be called like him. That's not important. But how he sing, this what is
The middle
important.
button. What
Yeah.
did you understand from this song? What did you learn?
Yeah, this is a motivational song
Motivational song.
that in whatever you do, you should never give up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's not like a song is just copied from Tupac and Chan. No,
No,
this
Tupac.
is his real original
Our
song.
word.
Yeah, he did well on that,
Yeah.
and I just see them like with that lady. They have that similar look. What do you think of that? The boy? Do they look similar?
No.
Really? Okay. What about that lady? How does she sound?
That just
Is she good?
Yes.
She also female Tupac?
she's very, very good.
I don't know Tupac.
No, she's not
You
close
don't
to
know
Tupac.
Tupac?
She's not close to Tupac, but she's singing good. She's
Okay.
very
What
good.
what about the boy?
Boy,
Ah.
it's excellent.
The boy is excellent.
Yeah, man.
Does he rap like Tupac?
Yeah, of
Or
course.
Tupac.
Okay.
Like two, but
You don't know Tupac? We're showing you Tupac. This is
This
Tupac.
one.
This guy. This is Tupac.
When did he die?
He died years back. Okay. So anyway, this was suggested, guys, to check the Meghalayan Khasi Tupac. Anyway, he's so good, guys. We just love that seeing someone to be inspired by a greater singer like this, and we can see like little similarity in the way he's rapping and inspiring others.
The ways they are dancing.
Maybe one day someone is going to be inspired by this guy only, and he will call himself with this guy name, not Tupac name anymore.
Yeah.
So that is it. Thank you so much. All the best, brother. You are doing well. Thank you so much.
Love from Africa.
Love from Africa.
Liban.